You need to hear this if you're into natural remedies. Raw honey might be your pantry's MVP. Here's why. Benefit number 6, antioxidant boost. Raw honey is packed with flavonoids. Phenolic compounds fight oxidative stress. A spoonful helps your body neutralize free radicals. Benefit number 5, natural antimicrobial power. Raw honey contains enzymes that make hydrogen peroxide. Other compounds can help inhibit bacteria. That's why it's been used on wounds for centuries. Benefit number 4, soothes sore throats. Thick, sticky, soothing. Raw honey coats your throat, reduces irritation, can calm coughs better than many drops. Benefit number 3, digestive friend. Raw honey can support gut health. It contains prebiotic oligosaccharides. They feed good bacteria. It's not a cure-all, but it helps keep things balanced. Benefit number 2, energy and recovery. With simple sugars, enzymes. Raw honey is an easy, natural pick-me-up. Before a workout, after a workout. Sustained energy without the weird crash. Benefit number 1, nutrient profile and flavor complexity. Raw honey keeps trace vitamins, minerals, pollen, deep floral flavors. They change by region and by season. Quick tip, choose raw, unfiltered honey from a trusted source. Local if possible, not for babies under 1. If you like sensible natural hacks, hit follow for more.